In VR Together, the users are very important. We believe that their opinion, their feelings and their perceptions are fundamental for the project to move forward and achieve one of our goals: practical use within market demand. We are developing 3 pilots, addressing 3 different production formats in a unified architecture. In the first pilot, the representation of the user in real time is one of the main objectives, with all its technical implications. In the second pilot, we will introduce the live action. Finally, in the third one, we will show the interaction of the user with the environment. We have 3 user labs, one in the Netherlands, one in Greece and one in Spain. The 3 laboratories are interconnected. This is the equipment needed for running a setup for 2 users represented in TVM. Some of this equipment is used to set up a TVM node in different fairs and summits. 2 Oculus Rifts, 8 Kinect's cameras or real sense cameras, 8 processing microstations, capturing PC. For the reconstruction PC, the minimum requirements are reconstruction station plus native player PC. One space that allows 2 users each in a minimum clean space of 2 by 2 by 2.5 meters. 1 meter by 1 meter effective capture area requires 5 meters by 5 meters space. We need 2 capture areas and an effective volume of 2 meters by 2 meters. These are our experiments in our user labs. The results gave us a lot of answers in terms of understanding the importance of quality of experience in social VR systems, the user presence, co-presence, and the multiple business applications of the technology developed. One of the star objectives of the VR Together project, the removal of the head-mounted display, was also positively tested during the first year of experiments. When we move our user lab to specific VR fairs, we always invite professionals or other people to try our first pilot. Our experience invites users to live a story and also to be able to share it with other users in real time. Watching themselves in a real way through a system that scans the users and integrates them in real time into the virtual world and story. The user is received. We explain what the user is going to see and the presence within the experience. All users are impressed when they recognize their hands, their body, or even see their partner. The scanning system and its recognition in real time is incredible. 2 users watch a police interrogation from the dark side of the room. During the experience, the users can interact and talk about the scene, while seeing each other in a photorealistic, quality 3D representation. The users must pay attention, since they will observe different scenes. At the end of the experience, they are invited to explain what they have seen and share the information they have gathered to solve the murder. Real-time interaction between them is essential in order to enjoy a complete experience. Finally, our guests fill out a questionnaire. The analysis of results and metrics is fundamental. The success of VR Together is everyone's, and the users have a lot to say. The contributions of the project are evaluated both objectively and subjectively by using newly defined protocols and metrics. In our second pilot, the user will share the experience with more participants. It will be in real time, in a TV news show that will take them into a crime scene with a TV host who will lead this experience, with more protagonists and more interactions in real time.